Hey there, today I'll show you how to redeploy on Vercel step by step. I'll be using the Vercel dashboard in a web browser. Start by navigating to vercel.com and logging into your Vercel dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects or your team overview. Now, click on the project you want to redeploy. You'll enter that project's dashboard, where you can see an overview of your production deployment and any active pre-production deployments. In the left sidebar, click on Deployments. You'll now see the Deployments section with a list of all deployments for that project. Each deployment shows the branch name, commit message, status, and timestamp. Scroll through and find the specific deployment you want to redeploy. If you have many deployments, you might need to use the filter options to narrow things down. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that deployment row. Next to the Visit button, you'll see a 3 dots button. Click those 3 dots. A context menu will appear with several action options. From that menu, select Redeploy. A window titled Redeploy to Production will pop up. This is where you can configure your redeployment settings. Inside this window, you'll see a checkbox labeled Redeploy with existing build cache. If you want to use the cached build from the previous deployment, leave this checked. If you want to force a completely clean build without any cache, which is useful if you suspect the cache is causing issues, uncheck this box. Once you've decided on your cache settings, click the Redeploy button at the bottom of the window. The modal will close and you'll be redirected to the deployment progress page where you can watch the rebuild happen in real time. One quick note, unchecking that build cache option is the dashboard equivalent of using the force flag in the Vercel command line tool. It's particularly useful when you're troubleshooting build issues or dealing with bad cached data. Once the deployment completes, you'll either get a new deployment URL if it's a preview deployment, or your production domain will update automatically if you're redeploying to production. Vercel does auto-redeploy whenever you push commits, but this manual redeploy option is handy when you need to rebuild without making any code changes. Thanks for watching.